What's going on, guys? I want to do a little technical analysis on the two indexes that we trade predominantly most of the stocks on the market, right? So we're looking at the NASDAQ 100. We're also going to look at the S&P 500. We're going to kind of see exactly where we stand going into tomorrow to kind of end the week. So today we finally got that nice flush, right? We were in that 4, 5, almost 6-day distribution holding pattern where the ranges were starting to coil up. Anytime you get a distribution pattern where ranges start to coil and price action gets tight in a range, well, typically follows what happens is when you break either to the downside or to the high side, you get that extended move. And that's exactly what we got today. A lot of good money was made to the short side. There was essentially a lot of names that just went right through pre-market lows and never looked back. There was some names that went after the first hour candle, but ultimately we got a couple of little dead cat bounces with some continuations to the downside. Towards the end of the day, we did get a little bit of a buyback up here on the NASDAQ 100. We actually only finished down 0.25%. Now, I want to kind of keep something in mind. This level that we're going to be looking at here is 385.71. If the triple Qs start to lose 385.71, well, you can kind of see here there's a little bit of a gap that needs to get filled going all the way back here to November the 10th. You can see it coming down into the 20-day moving average at 381.56. That's what you're going to want to look for. Again, if we do decide to kind of bounce higher over 390.65, that's your level, and you're going to play it back into the top of the range here, 392, 393, 394. Let's quickly take a look at the S&Ps because my camera is about to die any minute now. If we look at the S&Ps came down and reclaimed not only the 10 and 5-day moving average, and actually looks very, very bullish. So over 456.69, we would be looking for a test of 458.46, and then ultimately that next leg higher into 463.63. Again, the S&Ps don't really look bad until we start to close below 451.93. So again, right now we're still in a little bit of a distribution pattern here on the S&Ps, going up, down, up, down, up, down, ultimately sideways. The S&Ps actually look a lot more bullish than the triple Qs, but again, the triple Qs did have a nice buyback towards the end of the day. So keep those levels in mind. Again, go into it ready to play both sides of the market. Do not have a bias leaning towards any one side too much, and I think you should do okay. If you guys want to join the room with me and trade each and every single day live and get access to my strategies, courses, one-on-one mentorship, as well as trading with the community, that link is down below. It is half off right now, so half price right now until the end of the year. Make sure you guys jump in and introduce yourselves, and let's get to work. I'll see all of you guys on the next video.